reader if you have bad clusters after running the clean test. The reader is designed for dusty environments. The imager is inverted to reduce the accumulation of dust and debris. If bad clusters are detected after running a clean test, please follow these instructions for cleaning the imager. Step 1. Open the reader's drawer, remove the white card, and remove the strip tray, then close the drawer. Step 2. Turn the unit over so that it is resting on the embedded bumpers on the top of the scanner. This will give you access to the cleaning panel. Step 3. Push upwards on the cleaning panel to open. Set the panel to the side. Step 4. Open the reader's drawer and raise it up. Once opened, use the built-in kickstand to keep the drawer in the open position. Step 5. Clean the exposed glass using the provided microfiber cloth. If needed for stubborn debris, you can wet the microfiber cloth with a standard glass cleaner. Step 6. Reverse the steps to close the reader. Step 7. Rerun the clean test to make sure that all of the dust has been removed.